What's up everyone, this is Ed with BJJ Eat, Sleep, Repeat. I hope you're doing well and staying safe out there. We're gonna do some back take drills with the dummy today that you can do. And yeah, my left knee is actually injured right now. So yeah, this will be probably a great drill for me. Doesn't mean you have to stop if your knee is injured. You can still do some stuff. So I'm gonna work on the back take and show you some of the things that you can do with the dummy while at home. And yeah, let's get going. All right, well, let's get the dummy into position where we take the back. Let's move his legs here. Make sure he's sitting. Perfect. I'm gonna work my way into the back take here. Let's get their hooks in. Oh. There we go. So now we have our hooks in. We can practice our seat belt. So what I usually like to do is just practice my seat belt on each side. So one arm under the arm and one over the shoulder on the opposite side. And just clasp your hands into the seat belt grip. One over your wrist here, just in this position here. And you can actually just cinch it in. And then tuck your chin in here. And then ear to ear. Nice and tight. So that's one side. And then you'll work to the other side, and then you'll also grasp the top of your wrist as well. So this side here, ear to ear. You'll obviously have one good side, or hopefully both sides are equal. That's what we're trying to work to. But again, you never know which side you're going to seat belt the opponent. So you can practice this over and over again just to make sure that your seat belt is nice and strong, your position, right? Ear to ear. Keep working that on the armpit, over the shoulder, okay, under the armpit, over the shoulder. Make sure you switch grips on each side. Cinch it in. You can see I'm actually pulling it in, and then his chest is compressing. We're staying nice and tight. Swing it under. This side, okay, left side, and over to the right side. Side, cinch it in. Right side, cinch it in. So one thing I want to mention is that I've got my feet in the hooks position, so the hooks are in, and you'll notice my feet are not crossed at all. Although you might think this is more secure, you're going to set yourself up for a beautiful ankle lock from your opponent here. So and you can potentially break your ankle or injure it. So just make sure you don't get in the habit of that. Live and learn. I've had it done to me at white belt, and I'm sure many have. And once you have it done to you, you'll never cross your feet again, that's for sure. Anyway, you just have them just sitting in this position here. And then I like to secure it by squeezing your knees together. So you're actually squeezing the body of the opponent more so than trying to keep your feet and hooks in. So keep these hooks in here, but more importantly, you're pinching the body as well while you're doing it. So at the same time, you got your seatbelt on, ear to ear, you know, clasp your wrist, and then cinch it in. The next part of this drill is I'm transitioning from doing the seatbelt grip and switching sides to the next part of it, to actually switching to a collar choke. So practice collar choke here. So you grab one side of the collar. You can roll the lapel as well to get more of a grip, but you can use it. I call it ring the bell, whatever you want to call it, but it's like ringing the bell. So that's how I ring the bell, and you can cinch it up. So boom, cinch it up tight when you're on this side, and then take this opposite hand, and you can just grab anywhere on the lapel. It doesn't have to be high, anywhere on the opposite lapel, and then you can work yourself to collar choke like that. Okay, and you swim under. Switch sides again. Your seatbelt grip, ring the bell. What you're doing is actually cinching your finger closer to the person's neck to cut off the carotid artery on this side. So you're gonna ring the bell so it's nice and tight. Even if you like to roll the lapel and grab like that, you can do that too. So ring the bell and then grab the opposite side of the collar and then work through your choke. Ear to ear, nice and tight. Okay, and you just switch sides. Keep doing that. Work on your seatbelt first. All right, start there, because that's usually the position you're gonna get first. You're not gonna just jump to a full collar choke right away. If their hands are open, they're not gonna be like that. They're gonna be defending, or they're gonna be grabbing your wrists, controlling your hands, right? Blocking their neck. So they're gonna be doing all these things. So you wanna make sure you get a good seatbelt grip first, right? So it's important to go through what's actually at work here. So I actually got the seatbelt grip here. Grab your wrists again, nice and tight, ear to ear. I'm going through the whole sequence here. And then you're gonna ring the bell and slide this hand in on the collar, and then grab the other side of the collar, and then work on your choke. So what's working here is this collar here is deep, which is actually gonna cut off this carotid artery. And then this side, as this wrist forearm is coming across, is gonna be blocking that side. When you're pulling down, you're gonna be cutting off this half of the neck on the upper part. So it all works together to finish a nice tight choke. Lots of leverage there. You can work on your rear naked chokes as well. Simulate that. So go to seatbelt, ear to ear, and feed the choke across. Get behind the head, this head's a little bit small. Here, got the seatbelt on this side, feed the choke across, feed the arm across, that's what I meant, and then feed the choke behind the head. Nice choke. Come back to seatbelt, feed the arm across, choke. All right, well, let's review what we did today from the back take. Again, since my left knee is injured, doesn't mean I stop training. You can just modify your training and do things that aren't irritating whatever your ailment is. In this case, it's my knee, so it's actually quite relaxing. I don't feel any pain in my knee when I'm doing this. So, and I can sit in front of the TV with your partner here, you know, during isolation, and just work on some drills. So light impact. Anyway, so let's review what we did today. Again, so it's seat belt on this side, grab the top of this wrist, swim under, seat belt on this side, grab the top of this wrist, right hand under the armpit and this side, okay? Here, 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 and here. Okay, then we went from seat belt, okay, and then we went to ring the bell for the collar choke, feed the hand up for the collar, you can see that there, cinch it in, and then grab the other opposite side of the collar and work on your choke, just push, okay? There, or you can turn the collar in, feed it up for more grip, and then turn it in, okay? And just work on both sides. Seat belt, ring the bell, grab the collar, choke, seat belt, ring the bell, grab the opposite side of the collar, choke, seat belt, ring the bell, and grab the upside collar, choke. Okay. Now if you're going to be doing no gi, then you can go, of course, seat belt. Okay. Feed the arm across, feed the arm behind the head like this. Rear naked choke, ear to ear. It's a little hard in the dummy because his head's pretty small and he doesn't have much of a neck, so we're doing the best I can with what I have. So grab your wrist again, feed the arm across, the neck deep, right? Making sure these sides, see that's like a triangle here, top part of the triangle, cutting off this artery, cutting off this one, and the hand feeding behind the head like this, okay? I don't go like this because obviously the opponent, if I actually go like this, they have some time there where they can actually peel my hand off, and then I'm not able to really choke them. I mean, you could finish the choke, you know, possibly with one hand over the shoulder like this, and then choke them like that. But it's not as effective if you have this deep and this hand over behind this head, pushing on his head in the back, grabbing your bicep, and then ear to ear. Again, his head's small and his neck's small, so I'm not going to get the full effect here. And then just Just all you do is just nice squeeze and choke. And then if you want to get into other stuff as well while you're at it, you can certainly, you know, feed the collar, ring the bell, grab the opposite side, control, you know, feed it behind the head that way if you want to as well. I love that choke. Okay, seatbelt on this side, nice and tight. Knees as well, ring the bell. Okay, grab the opposite side, practice the choke. You can even go from seatbelt, ring the bell, feed behind the head right away. Okay, switch sides, seatbelt, ring the bell. Maybe he's defending, he can't do any of this, right? But you have this here, make sure you get control, push the head away, swing the arm over, and then go for your arm bar. Well, I hope you enjoyed this dummy drill video. We did back takes today with the hooks in, and we did seatbelt, 2 collar chokes, rear naked chokes, and other variations as well. So I hope you got some value out of this video. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and please hit subscribe for future videos. Until next time, this is BJJ, eat, sleep, repeat.